If you notice that after using moisturizers, your skin still feels dry and dull, even flaky and tight, guys, the thing is your skin is not well moisturized. So if you have a dry skin, the thing is that it takes more than just an ordinary moisturizer for your skin to actually stay hydrated all day. The thing is, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a very good routine, skincare routine that you guys can follow, and your dry skin is going to stay moisturized all day and night. Hello everyone, and welcome back again to my channel. And guys, in today's video we're going to be talking about dry skin. I'm going to be sharing with you guys a skincare routine for dry skin. So if you know you have a dry skin, and even though you've used all the moisturizers in this world, you've used a lot of moisturizers, still your skin still feels dry, well guys, you need to actually follow this my routine, because this my routine is fully packed. Okay, now if you don't know if you have a dry skin, okay, dry skin is a skin type that actually lacks enough oil, or I'll say enough moisture on the skin. Okay, that means that their pores are kind of like closed, they're not open, they are kind of like closed. That actually makes your skin dry. Okay, so if you notice that your skin easily gets dry, like even after using moisturizers, your skin still feels dry, your skin looks dull, your skin feels tight, okay guys, you have a dry skin. So if you guys are still confused about knowing your skin type, I've actually made a video on how to know your skin type. I'm going to leave the link to that video down on my description box. So if you guys don't know your skin type yet, you guys should watch that video for you to know your skin type. Okay, but if your skin feels dry, okay, if it feels dry, it feels tight and dull, just know that you have a dry skin. But still, you still need to confirm if you have a dry skin or not. Okay, so before I start sharing the routine, okay, so if you guys haven't subscribed yet to my channel, do so to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, and also leave your comments. Okay, your likes and your subscribing to my channel is actually going to help me a whole lot to keep on making videos for you guys. Okay, now let's get right into the video. So the thing is that there's some specific ingredients that you need to actually take note of, or I would say they are very good for every dry skin type. So if you know you have a dry skin, there's some specific ingredients that you need to take note of when buying skincare products, because these ingredients are very essential for your skin type. We have ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramide, and glycerin. These three ingredients are key and major skincare ingredients for your skin type. So any product that you want to get, make sure that it actually contains at least one of these ingredients in it. Okay, now the first step in every skincare routine is a cleanser. It's cleansing your skin, okay, and you using a cleanser. Now the kind of cleanser you guys need to use, you need to use hydrating cleansers, and an example of a very good hydrating cleanser is the Face Facts hydrating cleanser. This cleanser is amazing. It contains ceramide, it contains hyaluronic acid, and it contains oats, so it is very good. So if your dry skin is also sensitive, this cleanser is amazing. Okay, you guys should actually use it because it's amazing. Now aside this one, aside this Face Facts, we also have the CeraVe hydrating cleanser. This one is also very good. So if you know you actually have that money to spend, or maybe you cannot find Face Facts and you want to go for something quite higher, you can actually try the CeraVe hydrating cleanser. So aside the CeraVe, we also have the simple moisturizing facial wash. This one is actually good as well. So I've actually mentioned 3 cleansers right now, so it's left for you guys actually pick the one that is quite affordable for you and you actually like. Okay, they are all hydrating cleansers and they are really good for the skin. Now the second step in every routine is using a toner. Okay, now if you want to get a toner, you want to get a hydrating toner, a very good hydrating toner that contains at least one of the ingredients I actually mentioned. Now, a very good toner that you guys can try is the Face Facts Soothing Toner. This toner is very good. Okay, it is really good. It is an amazing toner. Now, aside the Face Facts toner, another toner again that you guys can try is the Dr. Vashel hyaluronic acid toner. This one is actually good. So if you know you're on a budget and you're looking for something you're going to use that's going to hydrate your skin, and it's also going to last you for a while, okay guys, this Dr. Vashel is an amazing toner that you guys can use, and it can actually last you for a long time depending on how you use it. Okay, if you're also looking towards brightening your skin and not just hydrating your skin, you guys can try the Tony Moly Wonder Toner. This toner is an amazing toner. It's not just going to hydrate your skin, but it's also going to brighten up your skin. So you're literally killing two birds with a stone. So if you know that your dry skin is also dull and you also want to bring it back to life, not just hydrate it, but you also want to brighten it up, where you can try out the Tony Moly Wonder Toner. Okay, another option for brightening up your dry skin, not just hydrating your skin, you guys can try the Aquell Licorice Toner. This one is also very good. It's going to help to brighten your skin and also hydrate your skin. Okay, that is all for toners. Now the next step should be an essence. Now the reason why I actually advise you guys to use an essence is because of the fact that you guys have a dry skin and you want to stay hydrated all day. So you need to actually use very good hydrating ingredients or good hydrating products that would actually keep you hydrated all day and night. Okay, for any that skin type, I might say okay, you can just use a toner and that's fine, but for you as a dry skin, if you can actually incorporate an essence, well, that is going to be fantastic. Okay, now a very good essence that you guys can try is one from the CosRx, and that's the CosRx Advanced Snail Mucin Essence. Now this one is very good. Okay, like it's going to help your skin stay hydrated. Like this thing is super hydrating. Okay, it is super hydrating. Now if you're looking for an alternative to the CosRx, you guys can try the Jumiso Snail Mucin 95 plus Peptide Facial Essence. This one is also very good as well. So in case maybe you cannot find the CosRx or you're looking for an alternative to CosRx, you can try the Jumiso. Now there's this particular essence that I really love a lot that also doubles in as a brightening essence. It's also going to help to brighten out your skin. This one called the Slime Lux Moisturizer. This particular essence is going to help to brighten and hydrate your skin. Okay, so this one is superb, it's amazing. So incorporating this one into your skincare routine, especially if you want to brighten out your skin is going to glow and it's going to thank you for using it. Okay, but if you don't have the money to actually get an essence, well, you can actually skip an essence. It's not like compulsory. Just get a very good hydrating toner and you're good to go. Okay, now the next step after the essence is a serum. Now if you want to go for serums, you want to go for hydrating serums or brightening serums, depending on the particular thing you're trying to target. Okay, now if you're looking towards now you can equally get two serums, maybe one for hydrating and one for your skin brightening, depending on what you actually want to achieve with your skin. A very good serum I'm going to be recommending is the Fix Facts Ceramide Serum. This one is very good. It's going to help your skin stay hydrated and also going to help to protect your skin's barrier. Yeah, this serum is amazing. So it is very good for people with dry skin. If you have a dry skin, it is super good for your skin. If you're also looking towards brightening up your skin, you guys can try vitamin C serums. An example of a very good vitamin C serum is the Timeless Vitamin C Serum. Another example of a very good vitamin C serum is the Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C Serum. So these are two options of vitamin C serum you guys can actually try out. Okay, so another step in your skincare routine that you guys shouldn't joke around with is exfoliating your skin, because exfoliating your skin is very good, and it is not just for people with oily skin alone. Okay, if you have a dry skin, you also need to exfoliate your skin. Now I advise you to go for exfoliating serums, and a very good one is the lactic acid serum. Lactic acid is very good for people who have dry skin because it's not just going to help to exfoliate your skin, it's also going to help to hydrate your skin. So get a lactic acid serum in which you're going to use at night, and use it just 2 times or 3 times in a week at night. Okay, don't use it more than 2 times or 3 times in a week at night. Okay, it is very good. It's going to help to exfoliate your skin and allow skincare products work very well for your skin. Okay, now that is it for serums. Now the next step is a moisturizer. Now this is where everything is going to be locked in. All the moisture you've added into your skin is going to be locked in. Now a very good moisturizer you guys can try is the Face Facts Moisturizing Gel Cream. Now guys, this one is very much amazing. It's a very good face cream you guys can try. Now aside the Face Facts, we have the Simple Hydrating Face Moisturizer, which is actually a very good one you guys can actually use as well. We also have the CosRx Advanced Snail 92 face cream. This one is also very good. We also have the Face Facts Wonder Cream. So if you're looking towards also brightening out your skin and hydrating your skin, you guys can try out the Face Facts wonder cream. Okay, but if you're on a budget and you don't have so much money to spend buying so many skincare products, you guys can go for the Dr. Rachel hyaluronic acid cream. This one is also very good as well. Now that is it for moisturizers. Now the next step should be your sunscreen. Now a very good sunscreen that you guys can use, you guys can try out the Skin Aqua sunscreen. This one is very good for people with dry skin. The Skin Aqua sunscreen is super amazing for people with dry skin. Another option that you guys can go for is the Hatamungi sunscreen. But guys, when using this one, just try not to let it get into your eye area, because it can actually sting the eye. Okay, now another sunscreen you guys can try, which is more affordable, is the Bao UV sunscreen. Yeah, that is it. Now if you're looking for something that is going to help you, maybe you are looking towards anti-aging and you also want to incorporate an anti-aging skincare product into your routine, you guys can get retinol. Yeah, you guys can actually use retinol, but only use it at night, and you guys can use the retinol maybe once or twice, okay, in a week at night. You guys can incorporate it into your routine and you guys are good to go. Okay, so that is all for this video. I hope you guys actually enjoyed the video. Let me know under the comment section your thoughts about this video. If there's any other skincare product that we need to know that is very good for people who have dry skin, let me also know that on the comment section. And if there's any other video you guys would want me to make for you, let me also know that under the comment section. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. So till then, bye.